This is our imported dishwasher from UK.
Imported dishwasher?
Yeah, Maha, you need to. Oh, you have to put soap first. You can soak others here. Yeah. Soak your hands. Oh, there's not enough soap in your sponge. How much is your per hour to wash
I
dishes?
charge £150 per hour.
Wow, 150 pounds per hour. Okay. What else comes with your service? What else?
Well, it'll be soap, wash with water and dry.
What else comes with your service? That's too much. 150 per hour.
Additional £50 charge
For?
for washing clothes.
Oh. I thought there's a special service.
That's all my services, sorry.
Ano?
That's all of my services.
No special service.
Huh?
No special service for me.
No special service, sorry.
Oh my god, I need to deport you right now.
Okay.
You want to? You want to go home?
Huh?
You want to go home? You want to go back in UK?
Hindi.